Hello, I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Today I'm going to introduce you another dish which is quite popular during the Chinese New Year's time. We normally eat it on the 15th days of the New Year, which is celebrate the first full moon. It's a sweet dish. The Chinese name is Tang Yuan. Tang here means hot water. Yuan means ball. And then basically it is the boiled sticky rice ball. Here are the main ingredients. The ingredients for the filling. Here I have 120 grams of roasted peanuts, 20 grams of roasted black sesame, and 20 grams of roasted white sesame. And I have 40 grams of golden caster sugar and 20 grams of brown sugar and 50 grams of butter. And I will add about 1 tablespoon of honey in the filling. So these are the ingredients for the filling. The first main ingredient is the sticky rice flour, or you can call it the sweet rice flour. 250 grams of this sweet rice flour, 30 grams of cornstarch. I'm going to blend this sesame and roasted peanuts, but my blender is too small. I'm going to roast it in a few batches. And put the butter. Okay, this is perfect, but I need to put it into the refrigerator to let it cool down and become more solid. Put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. While these fillings cool down in the refrigerator, I'm going to make the dough. Here I have 250 grams of this sweet rice flour and 30 grams of this cornstarch. Mix them together. I have 200 milliliters of hot water. It's about 70 degrees. So add little by little. Knead them into a dough. After 2 minutes, just knead the dough. It's roughly, like this, but it's not good enough now. I take out about the size of a ball, size like an egg. So that I press it. I'm going to boil it in the boiling water until you see it's like a translucent. It is good now. I take it out, put it into the cold water, let it cool down. So this piece of dough, boiled dough, is cool now. I put it back to this dough and then mix them together. After 5 minutes, this dough is very sticky. You have to wear gloves. Look, like this. Alright, I think my filling, they are also ready. This filling now is solid. I need to cut it in small pieces. Okay, good. And shape them in a ball, like round shape like this. Take one piece of this dough. Take one piece of the dough. Shape like round shape. And put one piece of this and fold it like this. Put it in non-sticky paper. And look at this. I finished. I made 37 of them. I know I cannot finish in one day, so I'm going to freeze half of them for the next time. Make a swirl. Stir on the edge gently. Boil about 2 minutes at medium-high heat. After 2 minutes, they are all floating on the top. I will add a little bit of water, about 50 milliliter, and open the lid to boil for another 2 minutes.